Today I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your videos in CapCut. Alright, so I've got this really cool video over here. You can see that it's a dude walking through a snowy forest. But the thing is, there is no audio. So let us add some sound effects. And this is quite easy. If you're in CapCut, you don't have to go and download it and then import it. You can just go up to this audio tab at the top here. And here you can see sound effects. And what's lovely about this is you will have all of your categories, but you will also have the search bar. So let's just say footsteps in snow. Now this is quite specific, but there are tons of audio clips. So let's hear one or two of them. I mean, without going any further, that really sounds amazing. So what we can do is click down, drag it, and put it down over here. And immediately, this is what it starts to sound and look like. So we can obviously just change the speed of the sound effect, the audio clip. So if you click on it, go to the top right, and here, you'll actually be able to see that it's actually not in sync. Okay, so you can either make it faster or slower. Alright, and then you'll be able to see. There we go, that looks good. Now, let's say we want to add in something else. Let's say we want to add in some wind. Okay, we can go ahead, we can search for that, and here we can say, let's go and click on it. We can add that in too. That's great. Now it's actually starting to look and sound like something. We can also go and we can start putting other sound effects in here. So let's say creepy, and let's hit enter, and let's see what actually comes up. Alright, I like that. That sounds awesome. So immediately we are starting to build some body to this video. And if we just go like this, make it full screen, this is now, with just a few sound effects, what our video looks like. In a few seconds, literally, ladies and gentlemen, I think that looks amazing.